Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone so media is discoverable. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat that contains the images or videos you need. Once done, make sure iCloud Drive is enabled and the native Files app has permission. This lets you export or save items outside WhatsApp. Now tap the media to preview it, then use the share icon to invoke the iOS share sheet. Doing this early prevents later permission problems and simplifies the next export steps. You will now export the media into files for easy access. Tap the chosen photo or video, then tap Share and pick Save to Files. This moves the actual file, not just a link, into the Files app. Choose either a local on my iPhone folder or an iCloud Drive folder, depending on whether you want device-only or cloud sync. Make sure file names and extensions are correct so apps can open them later. Doing that here avoids hunting for different file types downstream. Finally, open the Files app and navigate to the folder you saved into. You'll see thumbnails or a list view so you can confirm the exact items. Once located, use search or tags to quickly narrow results, and use sort to show newest first if needed. You can now move files into other folders, duplicate them, or share directly from files to other apps or email. If media is missing, check WhatsApp chat backup settings and repeat export. That usually resolves missing items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.